luto na siya. Natikman ko na. So, haluin na natin siya. So, this is how it looks like, guys, when it's done. So, haluin nyo lang siya na halo sila lahat.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to cook chicken biryani. This is my first time to cook a chicken biryani. So this is my version, guys. So these are the ingredients: ginger garlic paste, biryani powder, onion, tomato, half kilo of chicken, and of course the basmati rice. I soak it for almost an hour now, so it looks like this now. And then of course the coriander powder. So let's start. So I add cloves in the water, and then salt, kasi lulutuin na natin ang ating rice. So ang pagluto ng rice, guys, is ano lang, tawag dito, 90% lang, kasi yung remaining na 10% is sa ano na, mamaya na, pag hinalo mo na lahat, yung rice tsaka chicken biryani. So ayan, pakuluin lang natin yan, tapos balikan natin mamaya if makukulo na siya. So I'm going to add olive oil. But sa India actually nilalagyan nila ng anong tawag dito, ghee tawag dun. And then I'm going to add this dried chili, and then that one, and of course the cloves. So ayan. And mamaya pala, dadagdagan ko siya ng ng boiled egg. Lalagyan ko sa ibabaw ng boiled egg. So ayan guys, I'm so excited kasi it's our favorite actually, the chicken biryani. So I decided myself to learn it. And guys, kailangan din pala natin dito ng plain yogurt. So I'm using Nestle yogurt. So ayan, let's start. Going to put the onion. Actually, dalawang malalaking onion na yan, so I think that's enough. But mostly the Indian is cooking like more onion, like a lot of onion. So antayin natin siya hanggang mag golden brown yung onion. Okay guys, so golden brown na siya. Add na natin yung ginger garlic paste na ginawa ko. This is a homemade ginger garlic because I love ginger and garlic, so I add lots of it. then we'll add the chicken. So, lagyan natin ng salt, guys. And then, yogurt. Smells so good. Oh my God. And then we'll cover this up for 5 minutes, and then we'll check again. So guys, my water is boiling already, so I'm going to add this rice now. So i-check nyo lang guys kung 90% na ba siyang luto. So, yan. So, cover muna natin hanggang maluto yung kanin. So, yun na guys. This smells so good na. Smells so good. Mahirapan akong maghalo kasi wala akong taghawak sa GoPro ko. Oh my God. I love the color. So it's still raw. We'll still cover this up for medium heat. Medium heat lang guys. Okay, this is done. Pero kailangan pa natin patuyuin ng konti kasi masyado pang matubig. Kailangan matuyo pa siya ng konti. So balikan ulit natin yan. Pag medyo tuyo na. And check natin yung rice. Bilis lang naman tumaluto eh. So yan guys, I drained the rice already and it's 90% cooked. And now I'm going to add coriander leaves here. Lipat ko lang. So yan, tapos na rin to. So ngayon ilalagay na natin sila sa, oh my God, this is done. And as you can see, hindi na siya ganun kabasa. So ilalagay na natin ito sa kaldero with the rice. Okay, rice in the bottom and then rice on the top. So the chicken is in the middle. Yan. And then we'll put these babies on the middle. In the middle pala. Ang hirap pala ako tagahawak. Kalat nila yung pati sauce. O diba? Malamang gutom na kayo. Sinong gutom na dyan? Mag-comment. Lagyan natin yung sauce. Kunti lang natin yung sauce. Lagyan na natin. Sayang yun. Masarap yan. Tapos, iba-ibabaw na natin itong natirang rice. O diba, ang fluffy. Ang fluffy ng rice. This is Angel's favorite food. Favorite Indian food. So, ayan na guys. So, ngayon, lutuin lang natin ng medium heat for 5 minutes. Something like that. And then, it's done. It's ready to eat after 5 minutes. So, para lang maluto yung 10% ng rice. Okay? So, babalikan natin yan. Oh my God. Gutom na rin ako. Promise. Hi guys. So, ayan. Yung biryani ko is tapos na. Luto na siya. Natikman ko na. So, haluin na natin siya. So, this is how it looks like, guys, when it's done. So, haluin na lang siya na halos na lahat. Oh my God, yung amoy niya, guys. Grabe, nakakagutom. Si Angel. Panay tanong, Mami, tapos na? Grabe, sarap. So, yan, dandahan mo lang paghalo kasi ayaw mo naman sirain yung tawag dito. Yung rice na hindi madurog. Kasi pangit pag madurog yung rice. Hindi siya maganda. So, ganyan lang guys. Ayan. And then, we'll add a coriander leaves. So, ganyan. At syempre, kung isi-serve mo siya, dapat presentable. So, since dalawa na kami nakakos, ayan. Chicken biryani. Yes, thank you again so much guys for watching. So this is it. This is my finished product. Looking good. And of course I have to add lemon on that one when I'm eating. Bon appetit. Thank you again for watching. Till next time. Ciao.